We had 3 machines that were not operable and not worth repairing, so then we scrapped those. One of them was an air compressor, the other was a chip conveyor with coolant tank, and then the third one was a very unique parts washer. It came out of a transmission plant. It's just money sitting on the ground. We can't sell it, so we might as well get rid of it.
When it comes to going to the scrapyard and everything, weight first and foremost and height is the biggest concerns, just because you have tow capacity of the truck and then tow capacity of the trailer itself. Making sure we're staying within those guidelines and restrictions of the weight, and then your rigging is just as important as the weight, just making sure everything's stable and secured to the trailer, making sure all loose parts, all drawers, all doors, everything like that are secured, so we don't have to worry about any damage or anything when we're going down the interstate, and just double and triple checking all the rigging, being safe throughout the whole process instead of just treating it like junk and garbage. Even though it is going to the scrap yard, we still want to rig it and treat it like it's a machine we're taking to our shop.
And watching the rigging as we go down the road is important too. Jose and I have been in the situation where we've had a load shift on us and we've actually had to stop on the side of the expressway, you know, whether it was retightening down something or rigging it a little bit different to make it, you know, more secure. But especially these 2 out of the 3 pieces were really unique in shape and stuff like that here, so those are the ones that are really most important to make sure that we have on there good. Yeah, so we pull in on a scale that weighs the truck, trailer, and obviously the contents. We go to wherever they tell us where they're going to sort it. There's certain sections of the scrapyard that some of them will cut different metals up, some of them will go into like a grinder, and it'll basically just chew them up into small pieces. So we just listen to where they say to drop it, and we pull up next to that and then unhook our rigging that we put on there. And then these particular machines, they just picked up with a claw, like a claw machine. It's almost like those games you played when you were a kid.
Yeah.
But they just yank it right off the truck, drop it where they're gonna do whatever they're gonna do next. Also all different types of metals that they'll recycle differently. This one was again considered just heavy metal scrap, so basically steel price, and that was $140 a ton, which is a little light, but that was 7,200 pounds that we just dropped off of heavy metal scrap. Reference, that's 7,200 pounds turned into $504. Scrapping 101.